Okay, class, today something really exciting is going to happen. You are going to be taking a virtual field trip to the San Diego Zoo in California. So, if today or right now you have like a shirt that has animal print on it, or just a shirt with like a zoo animal on it, take a picture of yourself and post it on this slide somewhere. You can post it here, you can replace this picture. But if you have one, it might be kind of fun to get into the spirit of our field trip. Okay? But this field trip, like I said, you are going to be taking a trip to the San Diego Zoo. Okay? You are going to make sure you watch this video first, and then you will be clicking right here, and it will take you to the zoo website. On that zoo website, you're going to be learning about 3 different animals of your choice. And on the next 3 slides, which I will show you in a minute, you'll be doing research on 3 different animals. Then at the end, you are going to persuade me to visit the zoo based on your animal research. Okay? There will be 2 parts to this video. First video on this screen that will tell you about the research part, and then another video talking to you about the paragraph, okay? But let's go visit. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click here, okay? If you're in the present mode, you just click on the link and it'll take you right there. But if you're not, you click here and you notice that this comes up. You're going to click on this. Okay. It is then going to take you to this website. It'll say like meet all your friends, animals, videos, everything like that. Okay. I know it's kind of a small screen. I'm going to see if I can make it bigger. But you're then going to click on animals. Okay, it's going to take you to, and then hello, so you're going to scroll down. Okay, you can filter, okay, if you're looking for like a type of animal, amphibians, arthropods, birds, fish, mammals, or reptiles. An area, like if you're looking for like where the animal might live. Or endangered status, like are they endangered or not. But if you just want to kind of search around, okay, you can even search for an animal. But I just kind of want to browse, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to come across an animal I like, okay, or I find interesting. Okay, Tom and I love bears, so I'm going to click on the Andean bear. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and then you're going to see that there are some videos, stories, activities, but first you're going to scroll down, okay? And so what you're going to do is you're going to learn a few things really quickly. You're going to learn what type of animal it is. It's a mammal. You're going to learn where it's from, South America, because it's highlighted in white. And then you're going to learn about the endangered status. You notice it's kind of right in the middle, and it says it's threatened. Okay? So if this is an animal I want to research, I'm going to go back to my slides, and where it says Animal 1, where it says Animal 1, I'm going to erase this name, and I'm going to go back to my tab, and I'm going to type Andean bear. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some bullet points. Some things I want to include. I want to include that it's a mammal. I learned it right then and there on the front part. I learned that it's from South America. And I learned that it's in it's a threatened status. Threatened status. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and learn some more. Okay? And you're going to write down anything that you find interesting. Okay. The average size is about 5.5 to 6.5 feet in length for adults. So I'm going to go back to my screen, and I'm going to write that down. I find that interesting. So 5.5 to 6.5 feet in length for adults. to talk about the food it eats. It's an omnivore. Now, I'm not sure what that means. If you notice, you can kind of hover over it and you see that little question mark? It answers that for you. An omnivore is an animal that eats all kinds of foods, both plant and animals. That might be important to know. So I'm going to write that down. It's an omnivore. And then I'm going to elaborate. Eats plants and animals. Okay. Oh, where it lives in South America. It lives in the forests. So it lives in forests. And you know what? I'm going to go back to South America. Oops, and South America is a country. I have to capitalize that. South America, and it lives in the forests. Okay. All right, then I'm going to keep researching. Okay, then it's a description. Okay. It will describe things to you. Again, as you're reading, if you hear anything interesting, write it down. Go type it. If you want to listen to it, click on this and it will. Oh, it says it's the Andean bear that's cooing. So it will play some actual noises for you. That's really neat. Okay, then I'm going to keep scrolling. The next one says bear in the air. I'm going to read about what that says. Okay, the next one, oops, isn't the weather nice? I was going to talk about the climate. Okay, eating fruits. I'm going to read all about eating fruits. Okay, some features. I'm just going to scroll down and continue to learn. Okay, once you're all done reading, you can see if there's any videos about your animal. You can click on videos, okay? And here are some videos about some actual animals, okay? Again, if you want to find the type, okay, animal babies, maybe you can find something about your animal's videos. If not, after you've done some research, go ahead and explore and watch some videos anyways. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to do that for 3 animals. So we had animal 1 that I did an example for an Andean bear, animal 2, animal 3. So spend some time researching about 3 different animals and then go back and have some fun and just explore those videos. On slide 13, you're going to see another video about what we're going to do with our research when we're done. Okay, have fun and explore.